wishes of Paramita family and media people who have joined us to encourage us today. Your presence makes this day even more joyful and special for us. So let's clap, cheer and enjoy every moment with a big smile on our faces. Once